Welcome to VarIndia News Hour. India, once a prime destination for foreign investments in 2023, is now experiencing a significant reversal. According to Elara Capital, foreign funds have been pulling out of Indian dedicated investments at an accelerating pace, marking the fastest withdrawal since the Russia-Ukraine crisis in 2022. Before we understand the socio-political economics behind it, let us first take a look at today's headlines. Investors become poorer by rupees 5.29 lakh crore as markets slump. Yesterday, a sharp fall in the equity market made investors poorer by rupees 5.29 lakh crore when the BSE benchmark Sensex tumbled over 800 points. A host of negative triggers such as muted quarterly earnings, continuous foreign fund outflows, and weak trends in Asian and European markets dragged the benchmark indices lower. Domestic earnings disappointment and weak Asian and European market cues fueled another round of massive correction as key benchmark indices slumped. Apple, iPhones, iPads bags tagged as high risk by CERT-In. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued a security alert about vulnerabilities affecting Apple devices, including iPhones, Macs, and Apple Watches. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team CERT-In has published an advisory highlighting several security flaws in Apple devices running outdated software. CERT-In has classified these vulnerabilities as high-risk, warning that they could potentially allow attackers to gain unauthorized access to sensitive user data, causing service disruptions or even lead to data manipulation. Google Pixel 9 Pro sells at double the manufacturing cost. According to a recent report by Nikkei, the Google Pixel 9 Pro costs around USD 406 or rupees 34,000 approximately to the manufacturer. That's less than half of its retail price in India. Also, this manufacturing cost is 11% lower than that of the Pixel 8 Pro. This cost has been further broken down by analyst Jukan Loser in a post on X, claiming that the USD 406 manufacturing cost includes USD 80 for the Tensor G4 chipset, USD 75 for the Samsung manufacturer M14 display, and USD 61 for camera components. Nvidia and SoftBank pilot world's first AI and 5G telecom network. Nvidia and SoftBank Corp, the telecommunications arm of SoftBank Group, have piloted the world's first artificial intelligence and 5G telecoms network. The companies shared that the network can run AI and 5G workloads concurrently, a process known as an artificial intelligence radio access network, abbreviated as AI-RAM. Applications for the network include autonomous vehicle remote support and robotics control. Suniel Shetty backed Waayu app joins ONDC. Zero-commission food delivery app Waayu, backed by Bollywood actor and investor Suniel Shetty and the Mumbai-based Indian Hotel and Restaurant Association, has joined the Open Network for Digital Commerce, also known as ONDC, as a seller marketplace. Launched in May 2023, the app has partnered with over 3,000 restaurants across cities like Mumbai, Pune, Jaipur, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. By eliminating commission fees, Waayu aims to provide restaurants with a more sustainable business model and a direct connection with customers. Welcome back. In the last 5 weeks alone, USD 575 million has exited India-focused funds, with large-cap funds seeing the largest outflows of USD 360 million and mid-cap funds experiencing USD 215 million in redemptions. This shift signals a change in the investor sentiment towards India. The rapid withdrawal of foreign funds from India can be attributed to a range of factors, including global economic uncertainties, shifts in investor risk appetites, and more attractive opportunities in other emerging markets. Elevated valuations in Indian equities may also be prompting foreign investors to seek better risk-adjusted returns elsewhere. October 2024 marked a record high of foreign institutional investors, commonly referred as FIIs, in terms of net selling, with rupees 1,14,445.89 crore sold, which is an unprecedented figure. This surpassed the previous record set in May 2024 when FIIs sold rupees 42,214 crore. In comparison, during the March 2020 COVID crash, FIIs sold rupees 65,816.70 crore, but the market fell more sharply then, with Nifty dropping over 20%. Despite October's significant selling, the market drop was relatively small thanks to the strong buying support from domestic institutional investors who bought rupees 1,07,254.68 crore in October. The shift towards established markets like the US and Europe post-election underscores investor confidence in these regions, driven by expectations of economic stability and growth. While the US and Europe see strong foreign inflows, India is witnessing the opposite trend with significant outflows from India-dedicated funds. Secondly, foreign institutional investor outflows have increased demand for foreign currency as investors convert rupee holdings to dollars before repatriating funds. This rising demand has contributed to the rupee's depreciation. A weaker rupee in turn raises import costs, which can intensify inflationary pressures in the economy. This depreciation especially impacts sectors dependent on imports like oil and raw materials, whether higher costs or can cascade through the economy. This trend reflects a larger global reallocation of investments, where investors are increasingly leaning towards stable, mature markets over emerging economies like India. This shift may stem from heightened concerns over valuation and the uncertainty surrounding global economic conditions. Investors tend to seek safety in mature markets, especially when there is volatility or potential for inflation in emerging markets. We feel that this trend underscores the need for emerging economies to strengthen financial fundamentals, improve investor confidence, and address inflation risk. With this thought, we sign off for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VarIndia News Magazine. For more news and updates, you can download the VarIndia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Stay tuned. Thank you.